Comparison of the 2025 Mini Cooper S and V8 engines. When comparing the 2025 Mini Cooper S to a V8 engine, it's essential to consider various aspects such as performance, design, and intended use. The Mini Cooper S is a compact hatchback, known for its agility and sporty handling, while V8 engines are typically found in larger vehicles, offering significant power and torque. 2025 Mini Cooper S Overview. Engine specifications. The 2025 Mini Cooper S features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 201 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. This configuration allows the Cooper S to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.3 seconds. Top speed: 150 miles per hour. Fuel efficiency: estimated at 28 mpg in the city and 39 mpg on the highway, providing a combined rating of 32 mpg. Design features: the new model includes updated aesthetics such as a refreshed front fascia and modern interior technology, including a 9.5-inch infotainment screen. V8 engine overview. General characteristics: V8 engines are renowned for their power and torque, often found in performance cars, trucks, and SUVs. They typically produce between 300 to over 700 horsepower, depending on the specific engine configuration. Performance metrics. Acceleration. Many V8-equipped vehicles can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour times under 5 seconds, especially in performance-oriented models. Torque. V8 engines usually offer high torque figures, often exceeding 400 pounds-feet, which enhances towing capacity and acceleration. Fuel efficiency: generally lower than that of smaller engines like the Mini's four-cylinder, with many V8s averaging between 15 to 25 mpg, depending on the vehicle type and driving conditions. The 2025 Mini Cooper S offers a distinct driving experience and sound profile compared to traditional V8 engines. Here's a detailed comparison focusing on both aspects. Sound comparison. Mini Cooper S. The 2025 Mini Cooper S features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces a sound described as stout and bassy, reminiscent of BMW's straight-six engines but with two fewer cylinders. While the engine does emit a pleasing growl, much of the auditory excitement is enhanced through artificial sound pumped into the cabin, particularly during spirited driving. This creates an engaging atmosphere, although purists may notice the lack of a raw, unfiltered exhaust note. Turbo whooshing noises can also be heard, adding to the sporty character of the car. V8 engines. V8 engines are known for their deep, throaty roar, providing a visceral auditory experience that is often associated with power and performance. The sound is typically loud and aggressive, especially under acceleration, which many enthusiasts find exhilarating. Unlike the Mini, V8s do not rely on artificial sound enhancements. Their natural acoustics deliver a more authentic driving experience. Driving experience comparison. Mini Cooper S. The Mini Cooper S is celebrated for its agility and nimbleness, often described as having go-kart handling. It weighs around 3,100 pounds and features front-wheel drive, which contributes to its responsive steering and quick cornering abilities. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 6.3 seconds, it offers sufficient power for everyday driving while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency up to 32 miles per hour combined. The driving experience is enhanced by the car's compact size, making it feel lively in urban settings. However, some reviews mention that the new 7-speed dual-clutch transmission may lack the engagement of previous manual options, leading to a slightly less connected feel. V8 engines. Vehicles equipped with V8 engines generally provide a different driving experience characterized by higher power outputs, often exceeding 300 horsepower, resulting in faster acceleration times, often under 5 seconds, for 0 to 60 miles per hour, and substantial torque that enhances towing capabilities. The weight distribution and rear-wheel drive in many V8 vehicles contribute to a more powerful feel during acceleration, but can sometimes lead to less agility compared to smaller cars like the Mini. V8s are typically found in larger vehicles such as trucks or muscle cars, which may sacrifice some fuel efficiency, averaging between 15,025 mpg for power and performance. In summary, the 2025 Mini Cooper S provides a fun and engaging driving experience, with its unique sound profile and nimble handling suited for city driving. In contrast, V8 engines deliver raw power and an aggressive sound that appeals to performance enthusiasts. The choice between them will largely depend on personal preferences regarding driving dynamics and auditory experiences.